What's going on, guys? Rich Styles here. Another really quick tutorial. This time we're going to be doing some tutting slash botting slash freestyling stairs. You can call this move whatever you want. I call it the stairs because I like to make up my own names for moves. It gives me more of a connection to what I'm doing. The concept here is you're actually climbing up and down like so. Check this out. Boom, 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 boom. This move requires three kinds of techniques. First one is tutting angles. Second one is fixed point. And the third one is dime stop. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in this shape right here, straight. Your fists are going to be fixed pointed to this location right here. What I mean by that is it's not going to move. The only thing that's going to be moving and rotating is your elbow. And you're going to be rotating around the fist. Alright, so it's going to be here. Boom. See how this never actually moves? It never goes up or down, it just stays straight. Alright, so we're going to do that again. You're going to take one hand and then you're going to push your elbow until your forearm is horizontal. Okay? From here, now you're gonna switch the fixed point to your elbow, and then you're gonna move your fist, your hand. See? Back up so you guys can see. All right? So now I'm here. Same position. We went from here to here. All right? Except we just climbed it. So we're gonna go again. Elbow, and then the wrist and the hand is gonna go up. Boom. All right, now all you gotta do is reverse the whole movement. So we're gonna go here, boom, boom. All right, easy. So we're going from one level, going up to the next level. And you can keep going as much as you want. You can go up to here, and then go back down to here, okay? So all we're doing is alternating between elbow and hand fixed points. So we're gonna go here, one more time. So we're gonna go push, up, bring it down, boom, and go boom, 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 boom. So here's the technique. So you wanna make sure that your angles are nice, okay? Make sure that they're straight, very straight. These are the tutting angles. Make it nice and clean, okay? And the fixed points are either these 2 points. Now here is where the dime stops come in. Stop. As soon as you get to the end point, you need to stop immediately. Go to the next one. Boom. Stop. Boom. All right, now that gives it the effect that you're actually creating steps going up. Let's try another variation of that. Another one is actually doing tutting. So if I was tutting, okay? Same deal, we're starting here. We're just adding a little bit more angles to it. Okay? So from here, so now my forearm is straight. And then I can bring it up here while keeping this at a 90-degree angle. And then I can flip it over for another 90-degree angle, flip it back, and then go back to this, and then down here. Okay? Let's try that. Boom, 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 boom. All right? So that is another technique that you can add to your tutting. You guys want me to break down another tutorial or anything else? Just let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, Twitter, Tumblr, Friendster, whatever, Facebook. Yep, all right. All right, guys, Freestyle's out. Peace.